everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama standing outside. I finally found a prime double wide. Now, we've talked about the prime single wides before. Remember, we wanted to create a home series at the beginning of the year that was affordable for everybody. It's built really well. It's got a standard 2x6 walls, the best insulation you can get. However, we did take away the ability to add drywall and to make any kind of customizations as far as moving doors and stuff. So we did the same footprint on a bunch of different sizes of houses, and this is a double wide. 28, let me double check here. 28 by 48. This home you can pick up for as low as $83,000 for a double. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with a very large pantry. Now let me try to make this make sense because I've got to do some major crawling through this one today, guys. By the way, take a look at the lot. It's a nice sunny day here in Topeka, Indiana. I'm Christina. I'm a housing consultant here at Champion Homes. You can reach me 260-383-1009. Back to the house. Let's talk about this. Here's the A side over here. Here's the B side. So these two pieces are going to be put together when they get to the property. And this is front loaded. Here's the front of the home, meaning the short side of the home is the front of the home. Perfect for a city street, perfect for a lake lot, perfect for a park. Perfect for a big piece of property that you can put your home any way you want to. Maybe you want the front to face a pond, but this is actually the front door. And when we're shipping a double wide, we do not put any of the siding on we call this the end wall, because it would have a very high probability of flying off when it goes down the road. So we leave that to the installers. It's going to be inside. You'll see it inside the living room of the home. Everything you need to install the home is always added. So got my little buggy here. This is the home we're crawling in today. So let's make this make sense. Where do I want to start? I'm going to start when you first walk in, and I'm going to have to do some stops and starts here because I've got to do some crawling. Let's look at the side. This customer chose clay color on the outside. And the thing about the prime homes is color-wise, you can choose the exterior vinyl. There's 4 colors to choose from. There's 2 of them, gray, clay, olive green, or basic white. And this customer has chosen, looks like the clay. Sometimes it's hard to tell. Oh, maybe this is olive green. Let me get closer. Looks like, I don't know. A lot of our siding, when the sun hits it, it makes it look like a different color. So let's go into the front door into the living area. So here's the actual front door, and let me get here like I'm walking into it and turning around. This is what you're going to walk into. This is the living room here. Now, this is almost like a shotgun house, where the front door behind me, a shotgun house is where you got the front and then you would have a door immediately in the back where you could just go right through the house. That's a shotgun house. This is kind of like a shotgun house. Let's tour the B side, which is what this is. So you're coming into the living room. On this side of the plastic will be the kitchen. We'll see that in just a minute. But if you continue on down the hallway, we're going to come right up to bedroom number 2. This would typically, be for a kid or, not the primary resident of the home. Nice size. I would say this is probably a 10 by 8, maybe a 9 by 8. Here's a closet for you. Remember, this home is $83,000. Great price on a double. These primes are typically $20,000 less than the other homes for the same square footage. So you're building at a cheaper price per square foot, definitely in the primes. Here's bedroom number 3. Sorry, I kept talking there. Coming down into the hallway, this is how I got in, is the back door. See what I mean? Shotgun, boom, there's the front door. At the end of the hallway, this is a 48 long, is the laundry area. We always, in these prime homes, have a great size laundry area. Here's your washer dryer, where you are still going to have a main water shut off on the inside. And a lot of people ask me, well, what if I want to winterize my house? How do I get rid of all the water that's in the pipes? We also have a water place underneath the home where you can let all the water out. Here's the water heater panel over here, and even the single wides come 200 amp service in these prime homes. Now let's talk about the walls. This is a Patent Beach. Used to be available in all of the homes, but we got rid of it in the Aspire homes, and now it is solely for a prime home. So color wise, no option on the walls, and then we're going to have a factory select on the trim. Currently that's a rustic walnut trim all the way around. And on the floor, we've got Factory Select also. Not really a name for this. It looks to me like a distressed barnwood. Very beautiful color. I love it. A lot of customers love it. And so that's what you're going to get on the floor. Zero carpet, guys. Zero carpet in the prime homes. Let's go down and take a look at the other half. Okay, so I just crawled through the plastic, and this is the front of the home out here. So I just came in to the other side where the door was. This will butt right up against that living room. So the other side of this plastic will be that living room that I just came from. And check out this kitchen. Okay, it's great. It's decent, guys. White, you can see both colors side by side. We offer a white on the cabinet. We also offer a rustic walnut on the countertops. You get to see both of them here as well. We offer a white marble on the top, or we offer a black, we call that deep springs. So you can opt to have a different color island. We don't care about that. The island is a standard feature of this floor plan. And here's another great feature, this pantry right here. This customer has kept it pretty basic. Not a lot of options in here, but look at this pantry. Okay. This home for just $83,000 has a lot of the great features that are standard. This is the dining area. So you got plenty of room here for a dining room table. Now mini blinds, those are an option. $225 option here. And appliances. Refrigerator comes with it. 18 cubic foot Whirlpool. Stove comes with it. We got to do that. Electric is the standard. You can upgrade to gas. And then a basic hood is the standard as well. And this is impressive. Plenty of cabinet space even above the hood. That's unusual in a double wide. Usually there's like a square box up there that takes up a lot of space in there, but not in the case of the prime homes. Cabinets are nice and big, plenty of room. Even the lower cabinets, nice and large, plenty of room down there. Bank of drawers here. They did opt for the dishwasher. That's an option. Okay, so here you have it. Let me stand over in the dining room so you can get a good view of the kitchen. Let's recap with the pantry. Boom. And then the rest of this home is going to have the primary bedroom, bath number 2 in the primary bath. Let's go check it out. Okay, here we go. Bath number 2. Hey everybody, I am out of breath. I've had to squeeze in some pretty tight places here. Bath 2, standard tub shower combination. We do have a bath fan in there. That's a HUD code. And then the single vanity with just the mirror above it. And then the toilet. So on the other side of this would be bedrooms. We would have that long hallway down there. And then you could easily get into bath 2. Now check this out. This is the primary bedroom. And how big is that? I want to say this is a 14 foot by 14 foot bedroom. Check it out on the website. This is called the Cline. And then this is a different style of closet and I like it. This is the primary closet. So it's almost like a his and hers with no separation in between. It's just an open area closet. Let me step back. Boom, boom. And then heading into the primary bathroom, we've got an extended vanity, which I'm pretty sure you can add a second sink there with an extra large mirror. And then 2-seater walk-in shower. This is bigger than normal. And it is not available with doors, just an open 2-seater walk-in shower. So there you have it, folks. This is the Cline 28 by 48 on clearance on sale for $83,000. Got the egress window there. It's a great price for a great home. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.